Okay, we're with George Capote, and we have the new WOW mobile phone. Can you see it here? And for everybody interested, what we're going to do now is I'm going to take my phone that I have now to call the new WOW mobile phone of George.
Let's see if it.
George is going to talk to me, see how it's going. Is it ringing?
Is it connecting?
Now.
Now it's connecting.
Now do we push which one? Green?
Green.
George?
I can hear you.
Oh my God, fantastic.
Isn't that amazing? We're only 2 feet away and we can hear each other.
But you know what? It's a beautiful, clear, beautiful connection.
Yes, it is. With about a 100th of a second time delay. And we can touch each other.
Reach out and touch someone. Now also, we're going to hang up the phone here for a second. You see the beautiful display, and George also
Show the tethering feature.
will show the tethering feature, which is just like on George's website.
If we wanted to go online right now, we would do that.
This will enable
And by
any
pushing that, we can create a
Wi-Fi
hotspot or Wi-Fi signal.
So if we're sitting here now with a laptop, this will now enable our laptop.
Now that we have a Wi-Fi indicator there and the symbol up on top, that means we have a signal. The minute we have any kind of a reading here, we can actually start uploading a computer.
So we will just have created a new hotspot for our wireless internet.
You can get multiple computers on one signal. We've had as many as 14 of these on one phone signal.